Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the extract process of Oracle Golden Gate. Here we have a diagram of Oracle Golden Gate extract process. So extract process is capturing the records from the online logs and archive records and store these record in a trail files. So the mechanism of Oracle Golden Gate, which capture the record from the source database, that is the extract. It captures the DML and DDL operation that are performed on an object, and the extract store these operations until it receives the commit record or a rollback for the transactions that are contain them. And when it receives the rollback, so it discard this transaction. And when it receive commit, so it store these transaction in a permanent file, which is a trail file. So in a very similar way, extract is a process which capture the data from the source database and store in a trail file, which will be helpful to apply this record in the target system.